잘하세요?
Are you good at? Are you good at math?
Are you good at math?
수학 잘하니?
Are you good at swimming?
수영에 능숙한가?
Are you good at swimming? Are you good at bowling?
Are you good at bowling?
볼링 잘 치니?
Are you good at golf?
골프 잘 쳐?
Are you good at golf? Are you good at sales?
Are you good at sales?
영업을 잘 하세요?
Are you good at tennis?
테니스를 잘 하십니까?
Are you good at tennis? Are you good at English?
Are you good at English?
너 영어 잘하니?
Are you good at doing crosswords?
십자말풀이 잘하세요?
Are you good at doing crosswords? Are you good at English grammar?
Are you good at English grammar?
영어 문법을 잘하나요?
Are you good at playing tennis?
너 테니스 잘 치니?
Are you good at playing tennis? Are you good at using chopsticks?
Are you good at using chopsticks?
젓가락 잘 쓰니?
Are you good at doing sit-ups?
넌 윗몸일으키기 잘하니?
Are you good at doing sit-ups?
Are you good at jumping rope?
Are you good at jumping rope?
여러분은 줄넘기를 잘합니까?
Are you good at playing basketball?
너는 농구를 잘하니?
Are you good at playing basketball? Are you good at any particular sport?
Are you good at any particular sport?
특별히 잘하는 운동이 있나요?
Are you good at haggling for prices?
너는 가격 흥정을 잘하는 편이니?
Are you good at haggling for prices? Are you good at what you do?
Are you good at what you do?
내가 하는 일에 소질이 있니?
Are you good at imitating various Korean accents?
너 여러 가지 한국 사투리를 잘 흉내낼 수 있니?
Are you good at imitating various Korean accents? Are you good at teaching to other people?
Are you good at teaching to other people?
다른 사람들을 가르치는 것에 능숙하신가요?
Are you good at playing badminton?
배드민턴 잘 치세요?
Are you good at playing badminton?
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정 꾹. 굿러닝 TV